Yeah, out here in the forest. You know. Yeah. Trying to do it. Yeah. Going down. Waterfall. Nice.
I told you earlier, we must dance. Whatever the case, we must. Hey, we must dance, Buana.
Wow, welcome back once again to this beautiful channel. We are here today. I don't even know where we're going to. What's the name of the place?
We are going to Intake Falls in Dundori forest. Now we are almost getting to Kabatini.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how many miles have we covered so far?
So far it's 9 kilometers.
9 kilometers?
Yeah.
All right, tell our viewers what are your names?
I'm Johnson. And we are having fun in the rain.
Right.
It feels so nice. Yes.
That's cool. What about you, my brother?
My name is Nixon, man of light duties. Yeah.
That's nice.
Enjoying the work.
How do you feel about this hike?
Fantastic. Despite the rain, enjoy.
I think it's good. What about you, my beautiful sister?
Hi, my name is Lynn.
You right?
Lynn Fit. Yep.
That's cool.
The only female instructor.
What's that?
Says.
the only
female instructor.
Oh, the only female instructor in Nakuru?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Tell us what you do, my sister.
Yeah, I'm a fitness trainer. We do aerobics.
Right.
We do Zumba. We do strength training.
Right.
Yep. Body conditioning. Yep.
So where are you located in Nakuru?
Nakuru Plus Theater.
Right.
Yes.
That's cool.
Awesome.
What do you have to say about this hike?
So far so good.
Right.
I'm not even cold. They think I'm cold, but I'm not.
You're not even cold.
Keeping her warm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
What about you, my brother?
Hi guys, my name is Edward. I'm a fitness enthusiast.
Right.
My first time to the forest. I'm looking forward to the fall. And that's why we're going to a waterfall.
Right.
The terrain is good. The weather is forgiving because it's cool. And so far so good. We're almost there.
Right. What about my brother?
Yo, hey, it's been a hike. So apparently we're having a hike-tastic day. And we are hoping to have a very, very nice view over there in the Intake Falls.
Right.
So apparently, these 9 kilometers were not a joke. You know what? But all in all, we have to dance. We have to reach there.
Right.
You'll see us dancing. Just wait. We're giving some few minutes. You'll see us dancing. Keep on watching to that channel.
All right.
Yep.
All right, guys. Oh, my sister. You're the last one. Say something.
Hi. My name is Grace.
Right.
Tuko hapa tu. Tunang'ang'ana.
Tunang'ang'ana?
Yes.
So, how are you feeling?
Good. Looking forward to seeing the falls.
Okay.
Yes.
That's cool. All right, guys. Keep you posted on how things are going out here, having fun. So far, we've covered over 9 kilometers, and we're going to cover a total of 15 kilometers. That is 2. Then going back again, 15 kilometers. That makes a total of 30k. So keep you posted on how things are going. Deuces. That's nice. Yeah, I don't even know where we're going. We're going for a hike. I'm here with that group. The group is right in front of me. And yeah, it's always good, you know, Go for a hike, shed some calories, you know, getting fit, you know, just getting it in. That's what we do when I'm back home. So this is how the streets look like, the roads. So yeah. You can see we're here at Makutano, Greenland Makutano. The whole of this place sometimes, so some years back, it used to be forest. But as you can see, due to man-made human activities out here, kind of like cut the whole forest down. The whole of this hill, is it the whole of the mountain out there? It used to be a forest. Tunaingia sasa kwa forest. So this is dundori forest. It used to be huge forest, lakini wamekatakata sana hiyo miti.
Unajua nashikana mpaka
Huko mwisho.
Malami. Hivi mpaka Nduduri.
So pushing got like 1.5 kilometers remaining for us to get to a checkpoint where we got the waterfall. So yeah, still having fun out here in the woods. It ain't easy, but we keep pushing it until we get there. Yeah. This is actually dundori forest. I don't even know if they got wild animals out here.
I told you earlier, we must dance. Whatever the case, we must. Hey, we must dance, Buana. Hey. Hey. Hey.